So, Google Earth Engine, what is it and why do you even need to know about it or learn about it? Well, these are some of the remote sensing and GIS analyses which have been derived from Google Earth Engine, and if you look closely you can identify some of the most common data sets that we end up working with in remote sensing and GIS. And Google Earth Engine is a newly available and a free platform for carrying out some of the most common spatial data analyses. But the question is, why Google Earth Engine? Google Earth Engine, or GEE, is a cloud computing solution for the processing of planet-scale Earth observation data. Common remote sensing and GIS operations on image and feature data can be carried out in the cloud. So basically what this does is that it allows you to save space on your hard drive and access detailed data sets, including Landsat archives from the 1970s onward, straight in the cloud. So you don't have to download all of these, and you can actually save space and time and work with some of the most common remote sensing data out there in the Google Cloud itself. And these are some of the most commonly available data in Google Earth Engine. So we have extensive Landsat collections. So we have the Landsat 8 data, which were first made available in 2013. The Landsat 7 data, Landsat 5 available from 1984 onwards. In addition to Landsat, we also have Sentinel data. We have a lot of MODIS data which is made available to us, including things like MODIS land cover data and MODIS vegetable indices. And these are commonly used for continent scale, land use analyses, etc. We also have access to ASTER data and even things like nighttime lights, which have been used for socio-economic studies and ecological studies in the past. Very recently, in 2007, the extent of summer fires in the Bandipur Tiger Reserve in South Asia was monitored and mapped in real time using Google Earth Engine. So while Google Earth Engine, it has not been used as widely as ArcGIS and R, but this is a very powerful tool that anyone who wishes to work in GIS or spatial data analyses should aim to master. And in this course, we are going to work on Google Earth Engine, and we are going to learn some of the most common applications that can be carried out with Google Earth Engine and gain proficiency in these.